Hello friends, welcome to infocorp Solutions Pvt Limited. Our Nasik address is College Road, Nasik, and our head office is at Pune, Shivaji Nagar. Today we are going to see one video regarding opinion mining. So for opinion mining, this is the one paper that we are using opinion mining from student feedback data using algorithms. So for this paper, the abstract represents the opinion mining using algorithm to find out the polarity of student feedback based on predefined features of teaching and learning. So this is the paper which explains the details regarding opinion mining, that is a domain of data mining. So based on this paper, we are having one project, opinion mining, which is created in JSP. So first of all, this is the main home page. So for this project we are having 4 different modules. First is admin. Admin is having authority to modify the changes. Then second user is the principal, then HOD and teacher. First of all, we have to log in with admin. Based on the concept of opinion mining, we are using the algorithm, that is J48 algorithm. So admin needs to fill the form, that is feedback form, for teacher, examiner, parents and annually, etc. So first we'll fill the feedback form of teacher.
लिंक के बारे में पूछ रही हूँ।
So after inserting this feedback forms, all the details will see through create dataset. So this create dataset first for teaching staff. When we are clicking on this operation, that is click to create dataset, dataset will be created successfully. So whatever the data we are having in database, it will apply the algorithm. So basically in this data set we are having file as create dataset file. So in this it is creating dataset for all, that is teaching, non-teaching staff and others. Suppose we are creating dataset for teachers. So this is a code. Here we are selecting the feedback data from the table, and then we are saving this data in a specific file, that is ARFF format file. ARFF is nothing but attribute relation file format. So after saving the data in ARFF format, we are storing in specific folder, that is dataset folder. So in this way we need to create data set for every data present in the database, that is for teaching, non-teaching staff, library, hostel, parent examiner and employer. And then next operation is to click on apply algorithm. So as we can see, after creating data set on specific drive, that is on D drive, we have created data set. Data set folder, the number of files which are created in ARFF format will get stored. Now next we have to choose that specific file for applying the algorithm. So for this opinion mining we are using the J48 algorithm, which specifies classification. So this is one file that we are selecting for operation. Then after clicking on start button, it will apply the algorithm, that is J48 algorithm. So here we are having the code that is for each and every file which is stored in ARFF format, that it will separate out the or it will create the instances from that file and classify as correctly classified instances and incorrectly classified instances. So after clicking on that button, it is showing the result that for that file correctly classified instances are 28, that is 100%, and incorrectly classified instances are 0, that is 0%. So in this way we have to create or we have to create the data set and apply the algorithm for every file. So after this admin operations, next is the login for principal. So principal can view the details what we have already filled regarding the feedback form or generated the result sets. So this is the login for principal. Now we are having the one filter, means for which department, year and semester you want to view the results. So in this menu bar we are having teaching staff, non-teaching staff and others. So here you have to select teaching staff and then filter, and these are the different teacher name along with subject name, and we have to see the result in the form of graph. So what are the questions we have inserted through feedback form? For that each and every questions we are having the result in form of graph. So graph can be any form. So in here we are using the pie chart format. Similarly for non-teaching also. And one more options, that is suggestions for the different members, that is teaching, non-teaching and others, that what are the suggestions that are given by the particular user. So in this way we can log to the system and then make the changes or use the system. Then again we are having the other two registrations or the login for HOD and teacher. HOD can view the details of teacher, and teacher can itself view his own details. So this is the project related to opinion mining for getting the feedback from the students. Thank you.